That baby is hot. Oh yeah. He said he ain't had deer meat, so I brought some down. We're gonna cook it up for him. That's how we do it.
My uncle.
Outdoor adventures.
My uncle. If he ain't like his daddy.
Yes, sir. Go and get a picture of that right there.
Yes, sir. Oh, I smell it, Unc. Man. I smell it, Unc. Yeah, take a good look at that, y'all. Take a good look. Don's the outdoorsman. He doing it all. Look at him. Look at him. Prepping it.
We're going to put a little onion in there when it get a little more done. And they don't take long to cook. They're about ready
Oh,
to
it's
flip.
sizzling. It's sizzling.
They're about ready to flip right now. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Oh, yeah.
Are you serious? Oh, look at him. He got the onion. He got the corn.
Damn.
Look at that.
Get that onion flavor in there. Like I told y'all, you never know where I'm going to be in up at. I'm in Southeast Missouri doing it up. Hey, we going to eat good.
We most definitely is. On this 4th of July,
Yes,
Independence Day.
Fresh deer steak. That's how we do it. We'll do the taste test here in a minute on Don Outdoor Adventures in Lilburn, Missouri with my nephew, Jose.
Exactly.
We're doing it up, baby.
Yes, we
We'll
is.
see you next time.